So yeah, this is a quick one. I want to kind of create set up like a listener for the worker whenever there's an error event. When an error event is triggered, I want to set up like a listener, which is this guy, and so this listener should stay down here after. So yeah, undo job failures. So and then we return this. So here I can have like a private class. So first of all, we might want to be like, okay, uh, we could actually log this into. We could log this into a file. So let me see how I could do that actually. Then it's since I'm using Winston here. Oh, the transfer actually uses console. No wonder. So normally I can add to this actually. That is log the console, and then I can add the one that logs the file this way. But the thing is, I don't want to be logging every stuff to file, so I want to just log this one to the file. I need to figure out how I'm going to do that directly from here. So let me see. I actually don't know how to do it from here. So let me see if I can ask Copilot for help. So I can ask it, how do I set another a file transport such that this logs the error to the file without creating another logger. I mean using the logger, the current logger. Okay, I think I got the idea. So I can just use log, and here I can provide like the level, set it to error, then the message, same message I have here before. So then so meta is the next thing. Damn, and I did not see that stuff completely. Save. think I won't bother trying to do this for now until I check the docs, and right now I'm not interested in checking the docs, I mean. So I would like to kind of add, I'm going to put a to do here, so maybe I'll just send the stuff to Sentry. Which will be needed for production. So for now I'm not doing that, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. So the next thing I want to do is to actually watch out for if the job dot attempts made is less than 3, then I'm just going to get like a base delay. I think 1000 should be okay, but or if I multiply it to the power of 2 raised to power the jobs, the attempts made, and then so this one will kind of give you like this incremental stuff. So then I have this kind of jitter delay, which is going to be the base delay, but we'll multiply it by 1 plus math.random. So then sorry, that's a mistake. This should not be this way. You should just pass it this way. Oh no. Do I even want to do this? That's the question. Given that I've already kind of set up an exponential backoff, and meaning that I can actually still set up the attempts and just set the attempts to 3. What am I even doing? You know what? I'm just going to check if the attempt is greater than 3, I think. So if we say the attempt is 3, that means we can check if let's just say if it's, should we say if it's greater than 3? If we say attempts is greater than 3, it's not going to be counting 1, 2, 3. So okay, let's say if it's greater than 3. I don't know if this is going to work, but if it's greater than 3, we can basically just call creates and then send like an email to the admin. So here we can say okay, this dots app dots. So I basically send me to this person. Permanent failure sounds so harsh. Oh boy, let me just say persistent job failure. So I'm getting this error. Oh, don't worry, I'm going to actually get the error because create is currently expecting something else. So I have that, then I have template name. Basically, that's saying template ID, admin alerts. Then of course we don't really want to use this. I think I'm just going to assume that I'm going to be, if I put my email directly here, it means it can be grabbed during the phishing attempts. At least if you go through a repository, you can just easily access my email I put here. So in that case, I'm going to add another information here. Just call it admin email. For now, there's no need for password. So just in case, admin related stuff can be placed here. So in default, I can set up a dummy admin stuff. From main okay, I think there's an interesting thing I can actually do. I don't have to set this. In fact, I don't need to set this. So what I can do instead is, I already know that the from here is going to contain my email. So I can kind of enforce it. That means if you don't pass it, we are not going anywhere. So you have to pass it from stuff. Okay, let me still make it optional. So I'm still going to make it optional. And since I already know that this is going to be the email stuff, so what I can do here is, I'm going to now do something. So if this is greater than this, that means wait, I think there should be a way to even listen for when an error has exceeded what you are expecting. But in that case, I'm not gonna worry myself. So I'm just gonna check and 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 it's one I'm expecting. Actually, it has failed. That's the only reason why we are still getting this. No worry, I think I'm just gonna do this this.app.get email dots from. So if this is set, if it's not set, I don't think we have to do anything about that. So if it's set, then yes, we can send that. So another thing is so we can have ID admin alerts. So then I don't know, the data can be probably the job ID, the message, probably also like the email data, and lastly the timestamp. So this way, I think this way we should be able to track what's going on. What in the world is text doing here? Oh, I think there's a problem. On is supposed to the reason for the failure. Boom, and that's all. Which means yeah, which means all this I've been doing since it's a waste of time. Sorry, at this point I kind of don't know what I'm doing again. I think I don't know. It's good to go. So I think this is good to go. I don't know, like the fact that I can't access the job this time from here has already messed up my head. The things I wanted to do here, I can't do them anymore. I actually thought I could access it, but it seems I can't. So yeah, this is about the undo job failure, and it took more than time I anticipated, and that's just because, to be honest, I'm already confused too. So yeah, in the next one, we'll try to finish up with this courier service because I'm already tired of it. Bye.